Ever wondered how you can become a better public speaker? This is Public Speaking 101. Within the initial stage of composing your script, you should know the purpose of your speech. To compose a good speech, it's important to know what its purpose is. A speech usually has one of four basic purposes: to inform, to persuade, to encourage, and to entertain. Next, it's important to structure your speech into individual components. There are three fundamental parts: an introduction where you introduce your slide, a main body where you talk about your main points, and a conclusion where you summarize everything you've just talked about. In public speaking, there are also multiple public speaking do's and public speaking don'ts. Some public speaking do's are memorizing your speech, making eye contact with the judges and the audience, speaking loudly, clearly, slowly, and with expression in your voice and your face, having good posture, and effectively utilizing hand gestures. Some public speaking don'ts is rushing through your presentation. You should practice your presentation beforehand to ensure the presentation falls within the timing criteria. Furthermore, don't put your hands in your pockets or point fingers, as this is considered unprofessional. Avoid the repetition of phrases and filler words, and if you blank out during your presentation, hold on to the last word while you gather your thoughts or remain quiet instead. And finally, avoid any form of bad language. Always use respectful and professional language, especially in formal environments. And that's Public Speaking 101. See you next time!